Do you know how trains change their wheels? The wheels of a train are different from car. Train wheels have only hubs and no tires. Rigid connection directly to the rails, where tear will be serious during operation. So after a certain period of time, we need to replace the train with new wheels to ensure the safety of the train. Before replacing the wheel, railroad workers get under the train first. Knock off the pin connecting the wheel with a hammer. After the connecting lock pin is released, control hydraulic jack. Yes, that's right. It's 10,000 caddies. A train weighing hundreds of tons. The jack is completely out of stock. It takes 10,000 caddies to lift the train. After the train been lifted to a height, workers will be on top of hydraulic gold roof, put in the support sleeve to prevent safety accidents caused by hydraulic explosion. After the support sleeve is installed, 3 railway workers will need to replace the train wheels pushed out from under the car. The wheels are not independent structures, but by wheel set, axle shock absorber, brake, wheel system made of bogies and other parts. After pushing the wheel system out, control the crane to turn new train wheels, shipping to another location. Although wheels of bow and arrow look rusty, but he is indeed the first time a big girl has married. Place the new wheels on the rails first. The worker then directs the crane to reverse direction to the wheel system. Hang the hook on the steel frame. And then, worker used crowbar to loosen the connecting pin of wheel. After the lock pin is released, the crane exerted force to lift steel frame. Worker took advantage of situation to remove wheel set from inside. Place the chassis steel frame on the rails. After the chassis lies on the rails, hang it on either side of old wheel. Then let crane lift the old wheel away. Make room for replacement of new wheels. Come back here. Workers first roll new wheels next to chassis. Easy for subsequent installation. Hang the hook on the chassis main beam. Command the crane to lift the chassis system. Workers push new wheels into chassis. After alignment, crane unloads pull. Locked onto bearings of new wheels. Wheel replacement on the other side. Follow the same process. So the new wheels are replaced. After wheel replacement, workers push wheel system forward. Precision bearing structure. Let them only need to be. It can push wheel system weighing tons. The wheel system is powered by manpower. Back at the bottom of the train. After the wheel is reset, remove support sleeve from equipment. Control hydraulic gold screen to land. Let train carriage sit back on wheel system. Finally, reset connecting lock pin between wheel and the carriage. The entire train. The wheel replacement process is complete. Do you think changing wheels on a train is easier than changing tires on a car?